Hey guys, I just wanted to go over this 5D for number 210. This is dealing with a cable that's 84 meters long and it's cut into two pieces so that one piece is 18 meters longer than the other. And our job is to find the length of each cable. Okay, so the first thing is to draw or describe. So I already kind of started by drawing a picture here. I drew my cable and I drew the little pieces here. Piece 1 and piece 2. I did kind of label them backwards because I had drawn this already and I saw that this part was 18 meters longer, so sorry, that became piece 1. 18 meters longer, and then for the total, we know that the total was 84 meters altogether. So that's what I drew for my picture. If you have something different, that's totally fine, but you feel free to use mine if you'd like. Now, for defining the variables, we have to figure out piece 1 and piece 2. So we have no information here about piece 2. So that automatically becomes my unknown, which is, in this case, an x I'm going to use. And for piece 1, I am taking whatever piece 2 was, and I'm saying that it's 18 meters longer than that. So x plus 18. Okay, now I can do the math. I need to add these two together, right? Because when I added piece 1 and piece 2 together, I get 84. So I'm taking piece 1, which is x plus 18, and I'm adding piece 2, so plus whatever piece 2 is, which in this case is x, to it, and that whole thing together equals my total, which is 84. Okay, now I can combine my like terms. So I see I have two x's, so I'm going to combine that and call that 2x. And then for my units on this side, I just have 18, so plus 18 equals 84. All right, now I need to get my x alone. So I'm going to start by subtracting 18 on each side to get the x alone. And whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. If it helps you, you can draw a line down the equals here to kind of keep your two sides separate. In 8th grade math, we really need to keep it very structured. So I really want to see your equals or your equal signs lining up, like everything being nice and neat. Okay, so on this side, what do I have left? 18 minus 18 is 0, so all I'm left with is 2x equals, when I subtract here, I'm taking 84 minus 18, so if you want to, 84 minus 18 is 66, and then for my last step, I'm trying to get x alone. So right now it's being multiplied by it. So I'm going to do the opposite, which is to divide it, which also creates a 1 here, right? Which means I'm going to end up with 1x over there. So that's why I'm doing that. And then whatever I do to this side, I have to do to the other side because math is all about balance. So I'm just left with a 1x on this side, or x equals, when I divide 66 in half, I get 33. So x is 33. So now we have to decide if our answer is correct. So we're down here. I'm going to take my equation that I wrote up here and I'm just going to rewrite it first. So x plus 18 plus x equals 84. All right, now I'm going to plug in the 33 for x in both places. So 33, I like to put it in parentheses so I know I'm substituting it. All right, and then we're going to solve. So I'm just going to be adding 33 plus 18 plus 33, which in this case is 84, equals 84. And then we can see that that checks out. All right, for the last piece, we are declaring our answer. So we need to look back up at the top and see, okay, what is it asking us? It's asking us to find the length of each cable. So down at the bottom, I've already put in piece 1 and piece 2 because I know I need to state what each of those is worth. And to figure this out, I'm going to use this define section. So for piece 1, I can see that it's x plus 18. So whatever x was, which in this case is 33, notice that that comes from the do, not the decide. 33 plus 18. And when we do that, we get 51 meters. All right, and then for piece 2, we can notice that that is just x. So whatever my x is, 33 meters, that is what that becomes. So I hope that that helps. We have defined both of our variables. If you have any questions on this, please feel free to reach out. Thank you so much for watching.